In the modern era of 21st century, globalization become a very important phase of our life. But the key that lead the globalization is modern communication. Hello everyone, my name is Sabyasachi Samal. I am studying in VIT Vellore bearing the registration number 20BEE0188. Today I am going to present a technical presentation on technological device in modern communication. Now take a glance at the picture showing the evolution of the modern communication. This simply shows us modern technology is equal to an advancement of old technology. To start my presentation, let's first give you an introduction to my topic. Communication is the creation in of understanding in someone's mind in order to promote action. The importance of technology in communication is increasing day by day. Communication is a two process and understanding we aim to create must be accurate in every way. Verbal communication like oral and written through technology can be possible. Let's see a picture of mass communication. It is not as much as modern, but it is a communication method in which many people can be communicated in the same time. Processing of a newspaper, how it is being processed. Take a glance in the picture. Now take a glance on the process of how we talk that get reached to the listener. This is the process in which time. Let's see what are the modern technological devices we are using currently. First example is telephone, second is fax, then email, then internet, then cell phone. Now one by one we will see how they are very useful to us in our day-to-day life, and we have to list the advantages and disadvantages of the modern technological devices. Take a glance at the telephone. It is the first example. We will see how it helps the people and what are the disadvantages of it. To achieve the purpose of call, three things we need to be considered. First, preparing for a call. Second, controlling. C, following up the action after finishing call. The advantages of telephone are help to build healthy relationship, being a bridge for people being miles away, save time, money and energy, immediate medium to contact one another and pass urgent message, give life for thousands and telemarketers. Now take a glance at the disadvantages. These days marketing calls are being a headache for everyone. Anonymous threats helps terrorism, waste the time of teenagers. Let's take a glance at the facts and determine what are the demerits and merits of it. Fax is an electronic device for transmission of message. The fax machine is very useful for transmitting visual materials such as photographs, diagrams, charts and copies and artworks along with writing materials. Fax is the latest and edited version of telegram and text. Fax machine operates same as telex. Format of the fax. All fax machines have transmission sheet attester first page. Most companies have their own printed transmission sheet as following informations. Disadvantages of fax. Fax is the sort of face smiles. Fax smile is a copy of something not original. A recipient must have a fax machine, then only the message can be transmitted. Sometimes fax copies are not clear and paper are missing. Fax paper does not make a good permanent record for the filling as the paper. Now look over the emails. Emails have emerged and mainstream for business communication. Email is fast and efficient method to exchange messages and other data. Message can be entered via keyboard and taken from files stored on a disk. Email can be sent from one computer to another computer by connected networks. Email is immediate and less formal. Email can be composed online or offline. To interact with electronic emails, one need to have an email account. Once the email account is created, the user is assigned an electronic mailbox. The user can send and receive messages through the mailbox. Internet relies upon emails. Advantages of emails: it is speed, it takes less storage, and you can make multiple copies. It is cheaper than letter. Auditing: number of features, record of message with date and time. Disadvantages: loss of format, variety of software scrambles in transmission, often cutting short of sentence. Security: it is not confidential, more opportunity for message to be lost. The most important thing in our life, the internet. The internet is a network of computers which links many different types of computers all over the world. ARPANET was the first one and had only 4 sites in 1969. In 1989, the US government lifted restriction of the use of internet and allowed its usage for commercial purposes as well. Basic services of internet: electronic mail, email, allow user to send mails message to another internet user in part of world in near and real time manager. File transfer protocol (FTP) allow the user to move a file from one computer to another on internet. Telnet allow a user to log into any computer in any time. Uses of internet: online communication, software sharing, exchange of topics of common interest, product promotion and feedback about products, customer support service, online journal, magazines, encyclopedia and dictionary. Now here it comes, the most advanced technology for modern communication that is now in everyone's hand. Mobile phone. Yes, it's the mobile phone. History. The first official mobile phone used in Sweden by the Swedish people in 1946 could make 6 phone can call before car's battery was drained. Developed for the first cell phone was creation of tower or cell at Bell. Second generation for the early 1900 smaller mobile which is with better batteries got huge popularity. Third generation include 2 megabytes of maximum data rate indoor and 384 kilobytes for outdoor use, and include internet access and other modern innovations. 1993 IBM developed first smartphone, Simon. Now let's see the advantages and disadvantages of the mobile phone. Advantages: mobile technology is the key to keep in touch in the modern world. Text messages can be possible. Cell phones are not only used for communication but for organizing schedule, making notes, playing music, games and other applications. Disadvantages: negative health effect, increased blood pressure, reduced production of metabolism with related to disease linked to cancer, increased stress level, headache, difficulty in concentration and disturbance in sleep. Now few words for cell phones. The world is flat, it said, and truly cell phone had brought it closer than expected and bring people together. In current time, we can't think our life without a cell phone because in our daily life all the type of work is depend upon it. Cell phone is a device enable anyone to contact anywhere in the world operated by satellite in the space. In the pandemic situation, the cell phones have played a very important role in everyone's life, from attending online classes to the talking with other relatives for their self motivation to fight the disease. Thank you.